Hey everyone, so recently we have released a functionality in the report. So as you know that in some of the report, custom field data also come and custom field column also come. So what we have provided in that, we have provided a search option. How you can go ahead and see that? Go to all modules, go to report and intelligence. Now once I will go to report and intelligence, suppose I'm picking any one of the report. So let's take an example, sales order register item wise. I generated this report. Now, once I will generate, please check here on your left hand side, there will be a column selection option. Let it generate. Yeah, here. Here is the column selection. In the very bottom, you can see these are some of the custom fields as well, which I have mentioned. So if I will select that particular custom field and go on the very right hand side, please check. We have provided a search option here. This functionality have been made in order to enhance your search result and easy to consume the report. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.